AI is not coming, it is already here. The same way social media buried newspapers and streaming buried cable, AI is about to reshape millions of jobs, and yes, that includes yours. But here is the good news. You do not need to quit, switch careers, or start a company. You just need 6 skills. And the sixth one is the one almost nobody talks about. Let's go. Skill 1. Become the AI person, not the best engineer in the world, the person in your circle who knows a little more than everyone else. You start playing with Claude or Chat GPT on the side. You automate one boring task. You show one coworker. And suddenly you are the AI person. That label matters because companies are about to have a lot of AI moments. And someone in that meeting will say, ask her. She's into this stuff. 85% of CEOs now say every leader has to become a tech expert in their own domain. So pick one tool, get genuinely good at it, and find the AI native version of the job you already have. Skill 2. Taste and judgment. As AI gets better, it gets tempting to just trust the first thing it hands you. That is the trap. Picture it. One person turns a bullet point into a formal email. The other person turns that email back into one bullet point. Everyone is transforming. Is anyone actually reading? Here's a tiny tell. M dashes everywhere. The moment people think AI wrote it for you, they stop trusting the whole message. So study the best work in your field. Save a library of what sounds like you, and every time you correct the AI, feed that correction back. AI can generate the work. Taste decides what deserves your name. Skill 3. Become a context engineer. You've heard of prompt engineering. That is fading because the models are just getting smarter on their own. Prompts are how you ask. Context is what your AI actually knows, and context is far more durable because no matter how smart the model gets, it still has no idea what is in your head, your calendar, your business. Think of a summer intern. On day one, you onboard them. You explain the business, the team, the projects. Only then can they help. AI is the same. Without context, it is just a smart intern guessing. So stop opening a blank chat. Spin up a project, drop in your real documents, your wins, your flops. Your context is your edge because everyone else is using the same model. Skill 4, and it is the most underrated on this list, iteration speed. In the AI era, the people who iterate fastest win. Every loop is more data, every loop makes your prompts and your systems better. It is like teaching a kid to ride a bike. You hold the seat, you feel them lean, you correct, you let go a little more each run. You almost never one-shot it, you calibrate. Master your shortcuts, use voice instead of typing, and build the ugly version fast instead of planning the perfect one. But also know when to stop. Tie every build to one metric, define what done looks like before you start, and once you hit it, move on. Skill 5 is inspired by Iron Man. Build your own Jarvis. Tony Stark doesn't type prompts all day. Jarvis runs in the background, notices things, and acts before he even asks. That is real leverage. A system that fires while you are in a meeting, on a walk, or asleep. So audit your week. Every predictable trigger, a new lead, every Monday morning, a certain email, is something you can hand off. But here's the skill most people miss: knowing when you do not need AI. A vending machine is predictable, a slot machine is not. AI agents are slot machines, powerful but pricier and riskier. If the task is every morning post revenue to Slack, that is a simple workflow, not an agent. Default to the simplest thing that works. And skill 6, the one you probably haven't heard in this context: build your own unemployment insurance, not a policy. Income streams, so no single boss or client can take you out. The old model was one job, all your eggs in one basket. The new model is job stacking, your day job plus a couple of AI-powered side streams. And the trick is one passion with multiple branches, not 5 random hustles that burn you out. If I had to give you one move, build in public. Share what you're learning, the wins and the losses. Because when the world searches through AI, if you don't exist where AI can find you, you don't get discovered. Pick one, go hard, then branch. So those are the 6 skills that future-proof you in the AI era. Quick, honest note: this version of me is an AI avatar. My real voice, an AI-built video, which is kind of the whole point. I packed all 6 skills into a free guide. You'll find it in the first comment. If this helped, give it a like, and I'll see you in the next one.